and I understand that given the short notice, and he has been overwhelmingly supportive, and I've seen him about many times since I've been here, so I fully appreciate it. But I want to thank him for the record again, because it all started with both of us, as I said, as colleagues at Harvard for a short course, then at the WHO, World Health Assembly, and then in Jamaica, where a MOU was signed between himself and myself on behalf of both countries. And today I am here in the Philippines, in Manila, where this is an amazing advancement of the process. I want to make 3 quick points. First of all, this is good for the world, not just for both countries and the people. If I were to localize it, I want to say that the people of Jamaica will be extremely grateful, because what we have conceptualized and we are developing is a sustainable model of working together, the Philippines and Jamaica, to expand faculty, to train trainers who are Jamaicans, and of course to provide an opportunity to train more Jamaicans in the specialized nursing areas in the first instance. Hopefully it can expand over time. And what that will do back home is allow more Jamaicans to be qualified in the specialized areas, oncology, nursing, pediatrics, critical care, to work in our hospitals and hopefully fill the gaps that exist now, and therefore support the people of Jamaica. And for that reason, we are very grateful, because this collaboration will benefit the people of Jamaica. But secondly, it shows the Philippines and Jamaica that even though we are miles apart, South-South cooperation is possible when we share a common vision. You are 120 million, 115 million, we are 3 million, but nevertheless, we can show leadership. And what we are doing, I believe, is very symbolically important, because it's saying to the world that unless we collaborate around expanding the pool of healthcare workers, it's going to be very lopsided, and there will be inequity in how we treat with citizens of the world in their respective countries. Normally, it's the rich having more and the poor having less. And so as middle-income countries, we are showing leadership, which I fully appreciate. And the final point is that I really hope that in the halls of the hemispheric bodies, the multilateral partners, the WHA, the UN and others, the World Bank and the IMF and all the others who have different roles, granted, but nevertheless are committed to developing the world and to making the world a better place, we recognize the importance of human capital, and that through collaboration we will achieve a lot more, rather than operating in silos and trying to protect our borders and ourselves, thinking that we are safer that way, because in fact we are not. And so I really think that these are 3 very important lessons that we are promulgating here today in this one act of joining forces together. The University of the Philippines School of Nursing and its associated hospital for practical exposure, and of course the Jamaica's Ministry of Health and the MOU, which was signed by myself and the minister. So we are pioneers in many respects, and for that reason I think all of us should be proud and should ensure that we make this work. So thank you very much.
Thank you.